The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
If your microwave isn't heating food properly, you can test it by heating a cup of water in a microwave-safe dish for about 30 seconds. Carefully test the water to see if it is heated. If it isn't hot, repeat the process. If there is no change after a few attempts, the microwave is not heating properly. This can be caused by several things, including a malfunctioning diode, burned out high-voltage capacitor, magnetron, or transformer. In some cases, these parts can be replaced, but in some cases, it may be more cost-effective to purchase a new microwave.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.